Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google Party company. And today I'm here with a new video. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, do you track every single website visitor information from Google Ads? Not talking about conversion tracking. I mean every single person that visits our website. Okay, that is a very different question because it depends. In case if there is a client who is on our monthly management plan, like who has bought the Google Ads management from me and my team, and the spending is big. So depending upon the scenarios, sometimes it's spending is a lot. So when we have clients like more than 20K dollars spending per month, and the scenarios over here is different. So over there, we have to track individual information, like their behaviors, the devices. Again, even in the small companies we are targeting as well, but the information increases as the spending increases, because marketing is all about the data. So the more data you have, the better decisions you can make. So we track a lot of information. In case there are tools available, we can use Heatmap. We can find out device type, uh, um, you know peak hours, areas, past buying behavior, online spending habits, um, you know peak days, like peak hours, peak days, competitor analysis, and their visitors and clients. So we can grab a lot of information to make our decisions better. That what can he like, there are multiple tools. And even like if I tell you regarding heat map can tell you like which area of your website the Google the person has more interest in. For instance, this is a landing page, and all of them is reading this information like this one. So the heat map can tell you that the majority of the people has focus on this line, or this line, or this line. So add a lot of things over there. And yet then that when you do A/B testing, you may figure out a lot of things like A/B testing, like color change on your form. You may can do a lot of things as well. So that can also come into tracking, because we want to get the maximum sales. So we can do various experiments and test it out to see what's working well for you today, now, tomorrow. And also there are seasonal behaviors as well. With the different products, some products have a good sales in a specific season, some products have lower sales in a specific season. Sometimes it's a new competitive market. So marketing is all about tracking as much data so much we can. So yeah, we are not tracking directly, but we can track indirectly, and we can also make a lot of assumptions over here based on the past data, based on our past case studies, and based on the competitors market, to determine what exactly is working well for us, or what exactly can work for us. So yeah, so we do and we don't. So I hope this answers your question. So, but in case if you still have any questions left, you are more than welcome to hire us. And in case if you need a professional help regarding Google Ads setup or data management, you can hire us, me and my team, through the link in the description, and we're going to make sure to get an awesome Google Ads campaign for you. We can audit as well and can help you as well in those. So yeah, thank you for watching. In case if you still have any question left, you are more than welcome to write a comment of this video. Take care and bye bye.